The thing is, if you think about PP ads, one thing that comes to mind is TikTok dropshipping ad solution. It's just a fantastic platform, a fantastic tool to kind of help you in terms of identifying what your competitors are actually advertising on TikTok. So, in today's conversation, I really want to do a deep PP ads review. And so the question is this the best TikTok ad spy tool or what? So let's first go back to the origins. So what is Pipiads? So Pipiads is basically an all-in-one TikTok dropshipping solution, providing real-time TikTok winning products. It's like intel on the winning products on the platform. And the thing here is that with Pipiads, you can find the highest quality ads on TikTok as well as winning dropshipping products. So this is kind of like I want you to really think about that duality: highest quality ads as well as winning dropshipping products. So it's really important to understand that PP ads actually works in real time. Now, is PP ads legit? Yes. You know, we've heard comments about PP ads not being legit. It's a scam, whatever. No, it's not a scam. It's a legit business. It's a legit tool. And the business, a lot of people are using it and using it satisfactorily. So it's a great thing. And PP ads does have a free trial. So there's a free trial, but it is minimal though, okay? You'll have to buy a subscription to test it out thoroughly. Now, can you actually, the thing is that if you're thinking about, like if you are serious about your dropshipping game via TikTok, you definitely want to invest in a tool like PP Ads, because the tool is really comprehensive. We love the capabilities and features. The only thing is that PP Ads seems to focus only on TikTok. So if you are, like, let's say if you want to gather intel on, say, Etsy, or you want to gather intel on Facebook or YouTube or LinkedIn, or let's say Twitter or other platforms, you're not going to use PPS. You might use maybe Minea or use other platforms. But yeah, one thing I want to say here is that PPS actually it has a high quality ads material. Like if you look at their database, it's just fantastic. Okay, and one thing I want to say here is that a lot of folks are underestimating the importance of let's say TikTok. Now, TikTok as an advertising platform is relatively new. Don't get me wrong, but the platform has a pretty large constellation of ads, especially when it comes to ads directly to the younger crowd. Let's talk about the pros and cons of PP ads. So when you think about PP ads, I want you to think about an all-in-one solution for TikTok oriented dropshipping. Okay, so here are the pros. So you have an ad library. So Pipiads, in our view, has one of the largest databases of, I would say, TikTok ads. Because of this, you're able to find the best TikTok ads in existence. It also makes it easy to spy on your competitors' TikTok's video ads. Like especially if you are in a very competitive niche, it's always important to know what your rival is up to. Your rival or rivals are up to, right? Because the thing is, you want to be one step ahead. So, but the thing is, if you have no intel, you can't really you can't really think about your next move. So it's really good to actually tap into that ad library to see what's really happening and what your rivals are up to. And another pros that we love with PPS is the sophistication of filters. So PPS TikTok ads, the spy tool offers a wide range of filters and sorting capabilities. So you'll be able to sort things here and there. I'll speak about the sorting later on in terms of product search, winning products, advertiser search, and so on and so forth. So if you have filters and sorting capabilities, you're able to actually research as you can, you can research as much as you can, and you can always find exactly what you want. And so you also have winning products. So PPAds leverages its database to provide the best winning products for dropshipping. So if you're still, let's say, in product research mode, this will help you find a winning product a lot faster and easier. So when we think about this PPAds review, I'm really trying to ask the question, is it really worth it? And so far, I think yes, this tool is really worth it. What about the cons here? You have the cost. PPAds is very expensive. I mean, I'll speak about the pricing later on, but it's very expensive. And it's really expensive. The most popular plan that I recommend is the PPS VIP, which will cost you about $155 to $200 per month. And also, PPS has to do a little bit of work on its website in terms of UX and UI. Right now, it's not really where it should be at. And in some cases, the visuals and the graphics can be hard on the eyes. So this is something that the engineers there, they have to work on. Let me talk about the features here. So when we talk about Pipiads, you have a constellation of features. You have TikTok ad search, product search, winning products, advertiser search, Etsy products. You also have the PP Spy extension. I first want to talk about the product search and the TikTok ad search. So when we talk about the TikTok ad search, this is really the bread and butter of Pipiads. It's basically its main feature. Essentially, it is a search engine for TikTok advertising. So let's say if you're looking for something specific, like let's say a profitable niche, you can search for keywords and adjust the filters to match your needs. And or if you're looking for the best TikTok ads, simply sort by ad impressions to look at only the high quality ads. If you're looking for, let's say if you're looking for ad strategies for your dropshipping business, I actually recommend choosing Shopify. That way you have a large database, that you have a larger sort of ecosystem to research. And you can also go with no filters at all and just browse, based on what your inspiration drives you to look at. So this is kind of cool. And one thing I also want to say here is that if you are a dropshipper, you want to go with the ad search feature because you are able to find, let's say, more info about your competitors' ads. You can see what kind of ads they're running now, what kind of keywords they're using. This is kind of cool for your own research, for your own strategy. Okay, so you're able to have a clear idea how to actually play the game. But besides TikTok ad search, you can also try the product search. And so this feature is very similar to the ad search, but it provides only dropshipping products like some other e-commerce tools do. So like the previous feature, you can search by keyword and actually add filters to match your needs. And this is really easy to use and great for finding dropshipping products to test. Okay, so when filtering, make sure you choose the same country or region that you are advertising in. So the United States is by far the largest the best place to advertise in our view, as Americans love to spend money on things they don't need really. So if you don't live in the US, I actually recommend that you get a VPN to make sure you can advertise in the US. Just scroll through to find one that looks promising. In just a few clicks, you can see which TikTok ad is being used for it. So you have a clear idea what kind of keywords your competitor is using. So you can actually replicate it or do better. Let's talk about the winning product. So the thing is, when you are on Pipiads, you have the winning product feature as well as the advertiser search. And so when we talk about the winning product, it's a great tool because it's kind of similar to product search, but it has no filter. And the fact that it has no filter, you're able to just spend a lot of time searching for winning products. And I mean, 1,000 products or 2,000 products. If you have time, yeah, go ahead. If not, you just want to move on to another filter or another feature. Okay, and so it's a great feature. It's great. If you're looking for, let's say, if you're looking for the hottest new product, you should sort by release date. If you're looking for the most popular product, you should just sort by ad impression. And so this is kind of cool in terms of helping you, again, diversify your product offering so you don't put all your eggs in the same basket, especially if you're dealing with different geographies and different target audiences. You want to constantly just you want to vary the mix of products you bring to market. And so the thing is, in this Pipiads review, I want to really emphasize the fact that Pipiads has a constellation of features that can help you actually bring your dropshipping business to the next level. And you also have advertiser search. So this feature is great if you have already found a successful Shopify store and you want to see what ads they are running. So all you have to do is just copy and paste the domain to see their TikTok ads data. This is really cool. And sorting here is kind of useless because it mostly just brings up companies with massive brand exposure like Apple, Amazon, and Google. But what you are interested in as a dropshipper is to find out what your competitors are doing, whether they are on whether they are on Shopify or other platforms. And especially if they are just in the area, that means that they're actually vying for the same, I would say the same niche that you are playing in, right? So you basically have to share it. And so in terms of market share, in terms of markets, in terms of, I would say market leadership, things could be a little complicated, not just for you, but for all the other players, all the other players who are competing against you. So it's one thing that you need to really have a clear idea about. And we also want to talk about the Etsy product. So if you are actually in PPS, you might actually do a lot of like you can actually search. It's a new product. It's a new functionality that they actually introduced not long ago, and basically you are able to find a lot of growing, let's say a lot of profitable products on Etsy, and you can see what kind of ads your friends, I mean not friends, your rivals, your competitors are actually using or placing, rather they are placing on Etsy, and you can just do the research. You can reverse engineer what type of ads they are placing, and then you can see exactly what keywords they're using, and you can use this in your own research, in your own strategy, in your own product, like in your own product research, in your own screening, your product screening. Also, one thing I want to say also is that it's great to have this Etsy product stuff, because it allows you to actually grow your presence on Etsy if that's a goal you want to reach. You also have the PP Spy extension, so this is separate from Pipiads main, like the main TikTok ads. So PP Spy is newer, with only 10 reviews on the Chrome extension store. Where Pipiads focuses solely on TikTok, PP Spy focuses on Shopify online store spying. So if you found an online store with tone of e-commerce sales, you can actually see if they are adding any TikTok advertising and which ad strategies they are using. So this is kind of cool. And so again, talking about getting a lot of intel, this like you are able to gain a lot of intel through PPS through this specific feature. This PP Spy feature, and we love the fact that this PP Spy feature gives you flexibility in terms of analyzing your performance, in terms of analyzing what your competitors are doing, in terms of analyzing what kind of what kind of strategy you need to adopt to make sure that you are speaking directly to the right person ASAP. And sometimes those things take time, because you have to actually build a relationship. Yeah. You have to build a relationship, and then you have to actually cultivate that relationship over multiple years to make sure you get the respect that you deserve, and then you can start having conversations about business. So those are things that are really, really important. The thing is, when you're thinking about PPS pricing, it's pretty interesting. As I've said this before, it's not very affordable, but you have to be like, it's one of those things you have to commit to it. Okay. PPS pricing is not publicized by PPS. I mean, they actually have something on the website, as you can see on the screen right now. But if you want to have a customized, a bespoke sort of quote, you have to contact PPS, because it depends on the configuration you want. It depends on your dropshipping goals. And so now when we analyze the PPS pricing, we have actually I would say three pricing plans. You have the PPS starter, you have the PPS VIP, and then you have the PPS Pro. Now, having said that, again, if you want to have a clear idea how much you will end up paying, you have to contact PPS directly. But when we talk about the PPS starter, it really will start. It's around $77 to $90 per month if you are paying monthly, or $55 to $60 if you are paying annually. In any way, shape, or form, I would strongly recommend that you pay annually, especially if you are really serious about using TikTok as a dropshipping sort of source of new products, source of intel. And so the cool thing about the PPS starter here is that the starter plan is that you have the query results show 200 ads. You have 50 ad details per day. You have 50 product details per day. The query results show 50 advertisers. And so you have unlimited winning products for one person. This is for one person. And this is the best tool to start mining best opportunities for your e-commerce dropshipping business. And then you have the PPS VIP. So PPS VIP, you're paying about $155 per month if you're paying monthly, or about $125 to $130 if you're paying annually. So the cool thing we love about the PPS, the tool, is that it allows you to actually scale really quickly. So here for the PPS VIP, the query results will show 1,000 ads. You have 200 ad details per day. You have 200 product details per day, and the query results will show 1,000 advertisers. So you have a large constellation of databases to actually pick into, to really analyze your competitors, to analyze the winning products, and really sort of explore the landscape of winning products in your dropshipping niche. You also have 200 advertiser details per day. You have unlimited winning products, and this is for one person. So Pipiads starter and the VIP are for one person. And so you have the Pipiads Pro. Now this is actually for up to five people. This is kind of cool because the career results show 3,000 ads. This will actually cost you $263 if you're paying monthly, or $191 per month if you're paying annually. So you have 3,000 product details per day. The career results show 3,000 advertisers, 1,000 advertiser details per day. You have unlimited winning products for 5 persons. As I said, you have multi-user, scale up, and sales expansion. Let's talk about the rivals here. So when we talk about Pipiads is not the only player in the industry. You have a lot of players. You have Minia. We're actually going to review Minia also pretty soon. So you have Pixiestar, you have Seller Count. So the thing is that, TikTok is actually a relatively new platform, new social media. And a lot of players, when it comes to dropshipping, they're paying attention a lot to what kind of intel you can glean from TikTok. So what we love is that Pipiads is actually giving you the depth and breadth of analysis you need to actually know exactly what your competitors are up to when it comes to TikTok advertising. Especially when you look at if you're able to filter by time, you can see what kind of ads your rivals are running based on let's say the timing, based on the season, right? You can see what kind of ads your rivals are running, let's say during the holiday season, like around October, November, December, or what they are running during the relatively slow months of summer, right? August, July. So one competitor that we love is Big Spy. So Big Spy is pretty similar to Pipiads because it is a search engine for ads. Big Spy has many more social media platforms with Facebook ads, Instagram ads, YouTube ads, and much more. And Big Spy has a very nice TikTok ad spy tool. It might be one of the best Facebook ad spy tools, but this is kind of like what we love is that Big Spy is constantly innovating too. This is really good. So overall, what is our verdict here? So you've heard me speak about Pipiads. The question is Pipiads the best TikTok ads spy tool? Maybe not the best, but one of the best. Okay, I wouldn't say. I mean, our team, we have done research about this, and we don't think it's the best because you have a Binea, you have Seller Count, you have Pixiestar, you have Ad Spy, you have a lot of players, but Pipiads is a great one when it comes to if you want to really let's say go granular on TikTok. Yes, we will recommend Pipiads, and so for the thing is that it's easy to use. It's like in terms of UI and UX, they could do better. But right now, it's kind of cool. Now, the only thing we don't like about PPS is that it's very expensive. I mean, in our view, for the value it's adding, you can find better. But hey, listen, maybe you love the features, you love the depth and breadth of the features. So go ahead and use PPS, not a problem.